But it was a great neighbor. We had a great life. We used to play baseball in the streets and football and stoop ball. We used to play it off the stoops and all kinds of ball. We used to make our own toys. I remember one day I made a pushmobile. We used to take, in those days, skates came apart. So we used to take the skates apart, and one part had 2 wheels and the other part had 2 wheels. And we used to buy a 2x4 board, which was very inexpensive, and nail the skates onto the board. And then we used to get a big box. In those days, there weren't any cardboard boxes. They were all made of wood. So we used to get a wooden box where eggs came in all the time. That was a big box. And we used to nail it onto the board. And we had a little, like there's skateboards today. Well, this was our form of a skateboard. We used to hold on to the box, which was attached to the board, and the skates were attached under the board, and we used to push off on it and have a great time. And that's how we made our own toys.